Welcome to DataStatPro. In this tutorial we will learn how to perform different t-tests in DataStatPro. Access DataStatPro either by entering www.datastatpro.com directly in your preferred browser, or search DataStatPro on Google. Familiarize yourself with the interface by exploring Quick Actions section, Data Management section, Statistical Analysis section. Navigate features efficiently using the sidebar elements to see the available options. Descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and many more. Let's start performing t-tests by signing into DataStatPro app. Click Login/Sign Up button. Enter your registered email and password and hit Sign In. First thing first, get data into DataStatPro using Import option from the dashboard. Click on Import button and see the available options. You can import your own data in variety of formats including Excel, CSV, Google Sheets. You can also use sample dataset for teaching and learning purposes. Sample datasets are available by type of analysis and disciplines: health, business, environmental sciences, and psychology. You can import your own dataset by clicking on Import button and browse your data. Let's use health dataset for t-tests demonstrations. Our health dataset is successfully loaded and set as current dataset. Health dataset consists of 100 rows and 26 columns. Few of them are related demographics, few related to clinical measurements, and some of them related to self-reported health satisfaction by the patients. Details of variables can be seen by selecting the Variable Editor tab. From this tab you can change the variable name, type, role, descriptions if required. It is good data management practice to define precise details for every variables. From the sidebar, click on Inferential Statistics. This will show all available statistical inference options. You can choose t-tests either click from left sidebar or from Inferential Statistics options pane. Click on t-tests. Here you can see the dataset preview and editor pane to view or edit data during analysis if required. Let's start by one sample t-test first. For example, we want to test the hypothesis whether average blood pressure is 120 or not. Specify the test variable and test value. Choose alternative hypothesis and confidence level, or go with the default settings. Keep the test assumptions box checked if you want to test the underlying assumption of one sample t-test. First section is about the assumptions test, which provides the recommendations about normality and sample size adequacy. Next section is about one sample t-test results reporting t-statistic, p-value, degrees of freedom, and effect size. Results are available in both graphical and table formats. There is summary section which contains the write-up of the results in publication-ready format. Now let's move to our next test, which is independent samples t-test. For demonstration purpose, let's assume we want to test the differences in cholesterol by gender. Choose cholesterol as test variable and gender as grouping variable. Specify the group values male and female. Keep the test assumptions checked and click on Run t-test. Follow the same pattern as one sample t-test. You can see the assumptions section first. It provides recommendations about normality, sample size, and homogeneity of variances. Next section is about the results of independent samples t-test along with group statistics, and plot to visualize the mean differences. You will find the interpretation section summarizing the results of independent samples t-test. This section discusses the statistical significance, effect size measure, and confidence intervals for the mean difference. Let's move to our third type of t-test, which is paired samples t-test. The test is applicable when same sample is measured twice to see the impact of interventions. Assume we want to compare the significant difference in cholesterol before diet and after diet. From the variables list, select cholesterol before and cholesterol after variables. Again, keep the assumptions test box checked and hit Run t-test. It follows the similar patterns of reporting results as one sample and independent samples t-test. This time we can see cholesterol after variable is not normally distributed, which suggests to apply a non-parametric test or use the test results with caution. We will cover non-parametric tests in another video. I hope now you should be able to perform one sample, independent samples and paired samples t-tests in DataStatPro. Bye for now, see you in another informative video about DataStatPro.